Welcome back to episode 30 of Junk Journal July for 2025. I can't believe we're already so close to the finish line of this Junk Journal July challenge, so let's dive into day 30 and the prompt of favorite place. First, let's make a good cup of coffee and have a little flip through of the journal where we want to get going today. And here's a little sneak peek at an unboxing that will be coming very, very soon, because the guys over at Journalsay were so kind to send me a big box of art supplies and stationery to get creative in my journals. And these things they sent me over are so beautiful, and I would absolutely highly recommend to check them out. I will leave a link to their stationery shop in the description down below, and I also will drop the full unboxing video and stationery haul where I show all the beautiful washi tape, stickers and ephemera things I got in more detail, but I wanted to quickly show you a bit of it because I'm going to use some of the supplies for today's journaling spread with our prompt of favorite place. And here I did get one of those big fold back clips that can be see-through in a way. And now let's have a little look at those beautiful analog stickers that are like little photographs of analog film from different flowers and beautiful nature motifs, and I thought that could be a good vantage point for the prompt of the day. And I also got this beautiful, cute, kind of also roll of film washi tape. So let's open that up to add it to the spread, to make this spread kind of analog photography and travel themed in a way, and also a bit coffee shop. So just, I don't know, I included everything that I love about going places in the city and exploring, and I love to bring my analog photography and my camera with me to take beautiful photos if I visit a new favorite place in a way. So I thought it would be quite fitting to include these beautiful washi tape and just some coffee stains and things as well. You will know or get the coffee reference a bit later when I add it to the spread. Here I'm just figuring out how to add some more different decorative elements, and I just go with the flow, add things here and there, and then I decided to glue down the washi tape, or it's PT kind of sticker tape, so you have to fiddle a bit with the back, but it's so pretty, beautiful, and I absolutely love those analog photography kind of vibes that it gives me. It's kind of, I don't know, maybe it's more a spread about my hobbies and things I love to enjoy in my free time, but I don't know, it kind of felt right for my favorite place. Here I did get this big rolls of different kind of scribbles and also some coffee splatters for big stickers for the spreads, and I decided to use that in the spread for today as well, because coffee shops in a way and cafes are one of my favorite places in the world, so had to include a reference to that for the spread today. Now I'm debating what I should act next, and decided to draw a little coffee cup, because if there's coffee, it's kind of one of my favorite places already. yeah, you might already have noticed the theme and my love for coffee, as it is part of my YouTube title, but yeah, it's just a big part of my life, I guess. So I love just going to coffee shops and sitting around journaling, sketching, being creative, and just on the other hand, strolling the city, taking photography, and just going with the flow. Yeah, and here I decided to add a little quote: let's go places, enjoy good coffee, and journal, as well as taking photographs. Definitely have to do that a bit more soon, and maybe I could also explore a new city or something. I haven't figured out my summer traveling plans just yet, so we will see. Here I'm, as always, adding my label for the day, and then this spread's already finished. Now I feel kind of a bit more wanderlust to get out and explore, and I will hopefully have the time to do that very, very soon. What's your favorite place? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative journey and many, many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very, very soon. Until then, happy creating.